got some chocolate.
你别笑！哎呦我的妈！
Full as fuck.
何？
Yeah, maintain as much body weight. All right.
It's just like the weekend the babies. It's already dirty again.
The bandage is dirty again. That shit came unstitched.
Hold on, I'm gonna put a sterile bandage on there. There you go. We'll get shoving food down your throat. Quick, how many more babies do we have?
Wait.
NANI?
You want a napkin? I'll get you a napkin.
Almost.
Hold on, I got some really special stuff for you.
NANI?
Eat this cockroach and down it with this cooking oil. It'll make your stomach hurt, but I think that'll make you happy in turn.
Just like, let me finish this cereal first.
Can we play dress up again?
What do you want me to wear? I could cosplay as so many cool things, like a traffic cone. I could,
Hold on, stand still. I'm gonna try to stitch that up again. Oh, really? Back, put on a nice band-aid. There. Now you can look. Now drink that cooking oil.
you got my little philosophical control from love.
Oh, shit. me just. I was actually wearing them here.
투표 뒤에 잠깐만요.
There you go.
What else now?
I was wearing. You can have them.
Put the hoodie up.
It's good. Anyone want my backpack? I have no use for it anymore.